In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a vertical line on Tradingview with a quick and easy guide. First, make sure you're on your Tradingview chart. Open any chart you like. It can be a stock, forex pair, crypto, or any other instrument. Once the chart is open, look toward the upper left side of your screen. This is where most of your drawing tools and chart controls are located. In that upper left area, you'll see a toolbar with several icons. Find the one for trendline tools. It usually looks like a diagonal line. Click on that icon to open the full list of drawing tools that fall under the trendline category. From the trendline tools menu, look for the option labeled vertical line. Click on vertical line to select it. Your cursor will now be ready to place a vertical line on the chart. Next, move your cursor to the point on the chart where you want to place your line and click once to create your first vertical line. This line will stretch from the top to the bottom of your chart at that exact time or candle. A vertical line is really useful for marking specific moments on your chart, such as news events, entries, exits, or key times in the trading session. It visually separates everything that happened before and after that point, making analysis much clearer. Once the line is placed, you'll be able to see the corresponding price and time information on your chart more easily. As you move your mouse around, that vertical line becomes a clear reference so you don't lose track of the candle or bar you're studying. You can also move this line anywhere you want. Just hover over the line until you see it highlighted, then click and drag it left or right to a new position on your chart. This lets you quickly adjust your focus as you review different points in time. From here, you can customize the line. When the line is selected, a small toolbar or settings panel will appear. You can open templates to save and reuse your favorite vertical line styles. You can change the color so it stands out against your background, and you can add text if you want to label what this line represents, like news release or London Open. You can also adjust the line tool width to make the line thinner or thicker, and change the style to solid, dashed, or dotted, depending on how prominent you want it to be. In the settings menu, you'll find even more options, including the ability to add an alert at that specific time or price. Lock the line so you don't move it by accident or remove it completely if you no longer need it. To wrap up, a vertical line on Tradingview is a simple but powerful tool for marking and organizing information on your chart, helping you quickly see and remember key moments in your analysis.